Hi everyone, my name is Bruce Schwartz. Thanks so much for stopping by, for connecting, subscribing, and especially commenting. Amazing comments, guys. I'll be answering a lot of comments tomorrow. So we're looking in a way for us to be able to see the surface objects, the way the terrain is, the ground level. And, you know, you just really can't see it with a regular telescope. I can't see it enough. We obviously just see a flat gray surface. This is Mare Serenitatis, Bessel crater right there. That's Mare Serenitatis, the Bessel's inside of the mare. And we're seeing all these beautiful anomalies that are around it. This is color. Same place, Bessel crater again, right here. And those brilliant colors around the craters at the top. We're going to go see a bit further, zoom up live, and we're going to see them sparkle. They really are colorful. Beautiful terrain, much like Earth here. We can see again to the right, Mare Serenitatis, we could see a green surface. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Now, zooming in is not always easy. I'd love to zoom into each and every crater inside of the depths of the craters, but most of them are cloud-filled or hazed, completely covered in a smoke gas or swamp gas, whatever it may be. Yeah. You know, there is a cloud cover up there. So people are asking me, why aren't you zooming into the craters? So let's do so. We're going to zoom in excessively today, like I always try to do. But we will get in a bit more than I usually do. Blurry or not, but it's actually pretty good. We have a nice clear surface here. We're going to see some color on the surface, and we're going to see some structuring, some 90-degree angles, and a very particular V shape on the surface. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's raining a lot right now. It's very cloudy here. It's been doing so for the past 2 weeks, and who cares? I have a lot of footage. This was July footage that we saw in this video, and I'm trying to get in close. Look at the colors of these surfaces. An overall green surface with many candy-like colors. It's incredible. Everything very vibrant, a very vibrant surface, an electric surface, almost holographic. Interstellar shock waves. They say they formed our solar system. Can't help but say that the waves we're seeing, the lunar waves, actually look like shock waves themselves on the surface of the moon. Really interesting.